Hello everyone, I'm Aman Soni from Chitkara University, Punjab, a student of CSC, and I've been working on a project called Interchangeable Shoe Sole, and I'm working on this project with my fellow batchmate Adish Prashar, and we are doing this project under the supervision of Professor Dr. Ritu Malhotra ma'am, and the project has been carried out with the funding support from Chitkara University, NewGen IEDC. Okay, so let's suppose I have to go for trekking or to the mountain areas. Then I'll have to buy the shoes that have rigid sole or a better grip. So for my that trip, I had to spend minimum of 2K for a shoe that I don't even know I'd be using any sooner. So the problem was that we need to have a different kind of shoes having some particular type of soles for each activity, either it is sports or trekking and so on. Then we came up with a solution that why not let's make a shoe that can do all the necessary terrains and sports for us. Then I won't be ending up purchasing different kind of shoes. So we made a shoe that can attach as many as sole attachments, and the shoe will be divided into two parts. One which is from the laces to the inner sole and have the basic grip, which is standard. Then comes the outer sole attachment part, in which different shoe attachments for sole of different terrains, and the user can himself attach or detach that on his own. So he has the choice to customize the outer sole part as per his requirement, as per his comfort. So this is our budget, and I was in contact with some of the student of FDDI, which is in shoe designing university, and I prepared this budget along with them. The major portion will be required in the designing and the making of the mechanism, because this is not a regular work for any shoe designing university or any retailer. So we are trying to make three attachment for the prototype for now, and we'll be planning to increase the number of attachment as per the user reviews. So the total prototype costing is around 75,000, which is an estimate. Thank you, and we are as much excited as you guys to work on this project to make this project a reality. And thank you.